Hello everyone, we are Lenovo fans, and this is Lady. Welcome to today's live stream. And you can see today we have a special guest, a technician and also a big fan of electronic world. Mr. Yao, welcome. Do you want to say hello?
Yeah, hello everyone. I'm glad to be here today, and I hope that everyone can enjoy today's live stream.
And in the previous live stream, we have introduced the Lenovo P12 Pro tablet, and we also experienced almost all the wonderful functions. But actually, as a user, Yao, I never know what's inside the tablet, and I have no idea how it's gonna work inside of the tablet, and that's why today I invite you here is for take our fans on a tour to the inside world of the tablet, like mostly from the technical point of view. And can you show us a little bit?
Yeah, okay, sure. I think most of our product users are same as you, Lady A, and every day only use the product and actually no opportunity to know about the inside of the product. And if so, I think today we can spend some time to disassemble P12 Pro and to explore the secret of the inside of the product together with everyone.
And before we start disassembling the tablet, I have a question. How do you think about P12 Pro tablet? Like from the technical point of view, from the the design advantages and so on.
Okay, of course, my first feeling, so when I saw this P12 Pro, and it's very thin and very light. You can see very thin and very light. So compared to the very similar model on the market, and the thickness of the P12 Pro is extremely thin. I mean, extremely thin. And I guess the whole unit, the thickness is less than this area, is less than 6 millimeters. And this is unbelievable to meet such level.
So it's a small scale, small number?
Yes. And next is I like this P12 Pro's the narrow bezel design. And you can see the screen.
It's here?
Yes, this is the narrow bezel design. And four sides have this narrow bezel design. And with this very narrow bezel design and the screen, and this is display area. And display to total screen area, this ratio will be very higher. So I will check some instruction on the white, and the P12 Pros on this ratio will be reach 90% level. So is that correct?
Whoa, that's a lot.
Yes, actually, technically, this is very high compared to the other branding products. And then I want to talk with you and Lady A is there's the weight. I mean, so you can try it. Yes. You can try this one, and
yeah, it's lighter than I imagined.
Yes, sure. So the light is really the light compared to other model, and if you can realize this is light, and so if you want to design on this weight, it's very difficult, and I think these points we found together and can be demonstrated that manufacturer made a lot of the great efforts on their industry design aspects.
So we can say the Lenovo did an excellent work.
Yes, I think it is absolutely. And by the way, and personally, and I do like this coloring. I mean, you can see the color, and actually on the display area, they are black and sort of the green, and so on the back side, they have the metal real cover side. So this coloring design is very beautiful for me. My understanding. And so you can see this area, and
we can see it has a beautiful shine, and I like this color too.
Yes, sure. And they have a very shining on this surface side, and also you will feel a little bit difference. And they have the soft feeling on this area. So more, and Lady, I want to give you some knowledge on this product. Is I ever used some music and to test this P12 Pro, and this audio performance is absolutely excellent. I mean, if I give some comments on this product, I mean it's absolutely and profound. They have this audio performance, and I mean, if it has such audio performance, for me, I guess, as a technical guy, I guess the manufacturer in their design phase, they may use the high-end GBS speaker, and with this speaker, they can output very high audio performance quality.
Oh.
So later we can let you see.
Okay.
And lastly, and you can have a look. And lastly, I think most important thing, and if we want to evaluate any of the device or tablet device from the technical view, I think what we need to check is CPU, the core, and the center processing unit, and same as the engine of a car. As you may know, so a good engine can drive the car, perform the good quality, and the P12 Pro is configured inside of the product. They are configured with Qualcomm Snapdragon 870 and processor, and their frequency, I remember, is up to the 3.2 GHz. It's very high level.
Yeah, and I think it's really, I learned a lot today. And like before we start disassembling, I think and do you want to share it with us more?
Yes, sure. And I think I give you, and Lydia, don't worry, I give you a lot of the technical knowledge. Maybe it's not easy to get in very quickly. I forgot to mention to you, and the absolutely excellent points is I ever used the software to test this product, and they are showing the 680,000 points in their scoring performance.
That's a high score, right?
Really very, very high in compared to the other product. If you are using this product to play any game or other things, and some other brand, maybe a little bit lower, but this one is very great.
Oh, that's so many advantages. I can't wait to hear more. And so let's cut the long story short. Let's just get started to disassemble.
Yeah, I talked a lot.
and I think today I can learn a lot of things, and maybe in the future I can repair the tablet for my family.
Yeah, really?
But you seem like serious.
Are you seriously?
Yeah, but am I allowed to do the disassemble?
Okay, I just confirm with you, lady. I'm not trainer. You just really want to disassemble this in the future? No, I give you answer no. To be honest, no matter when, and the manufacturer side, and they do not recommend the end user and to do this disassembly, device disassembly. Of course, including you, and because the first you don't have the official training, and secondly,
that's true.
Secondly, and the notice training, that means that you are easy to damage the internal part or component, and secondly is once you disassemble or any user disassemble this device, and the service warranty will be lost. That would be very risky for any user of this.
But actually, you're doing this right now. Won't you damage this tablet? Like we are in a live stream.
You challenge me here, but sure. So I hope that not happens. Because I get some training online before we have this live stream. I study a lot, and but also for sure this unit cannot send to the repair center again. And after we did this, and there's the service warranty will become invalidated.
So, do you need any tools to disassemble this machine?
Yes, if we need to do this disassemble, and we have need some tool to support me, and there is what we need. And let me show you. And firstly, and this is the screwdriver. You can have a look. This is screwdriver. And generally, and Lydia, we use this screwdriver and to lose the screw inside of the product. And later you will see there's many screws inside of the product. We have to use this. And so maybe this is first time you see such one.
Yeah. What is it for?
Yeah, the name is a suction cup, and So they will generate some pressure, and they can use this pressure to open the real cover or open the display part. So, but this can separate them. So,
Oh, that's cool.
Later I will show you how to use this. And next one is this is Tweezer. I think you will know this one.
Yeah.
The Tweezer, I think, is so normally there's anything we want to take it out and during the repair, and we can take this.
Oh,
okay.
I see. It's like this.
Sure, like this action.
Yeah.
And
this one is really familiar. Like when we play guitar, right?
Yeah. This is you have a good memory, and this is it is. And but we use this in our disassemble process to separate the glue. We have some adhesive glue inside of the product. We can use them to separate it. It's very easy.
Oh.
And most importantly, and lady, I think maybe you know this one. And this is our heating tool.
It's like my hair dryer.
Yeah. Apparently they dislike, but they will have a very high temperature and also controllable. I mean, this temperature is controllable. So if we use this one, we can separate the screw on here.
And I see here are some setting buttons, right? Yeah.
This there has some button they have used to set the different parameter. I mean the duration and temperatures. That later I will show you.
Okay.
Let's start to tear down.
Yeah. Okay. So which parts do we start?
Okay, that's a good question. And if we want to disassemble a device, I think generally, and my experience from the other product previously, we used the real cover here to open the device. But so with the latest and I mean the recent this Zen and the lights direction development, and some manufacturer like this one, and they choose the display area and display part as a starting point to disassemble. So this one we start from here.
Okay.
So first I should show you, and we need to open. Okay, and we slowly use this heating tool, and we call heating gun, and to blow this surface area, and on this way, and maybe last a few minutes, maybe quickly will be around 2 minutes, and this display will be open, will be easy open. Is this your first time to see such action?
Yeah, of course. I never see it before.
Yes. That is why, and we don't recommend and ourselves to do this. It's very difficult, with me heating and our finger or other things. Okay.
So I couldn't use my hair dryer for this.
Yeah, I think no, because as I talked to you, and this special tool, they have a more higher temperature setting and compared to you have in the family.
Oh.
Okay.
Yeah, I can see they're separating.
And secondly, can you give me a hand like this way? Yeah.
This?
Sure. And when
I can feel the glue.
Yeah, don't be worried. And if we open this area, and second we can open the second corner like this. If you give it more power here, okay. Yeah. So I think now, and we can use our hand to easy. Okay.
Oh.
Okay, now you can see.
It's like a magic.
I think, this is
screen.
Yeah, this is the screen I talked to you, and maybe you can have a look here. Okay, this is glue.
Yeah, we can see. Here's the glue. Yeah, and this is the screen.
Yeah, this screen is really thin and light, right?
Yeah.
And this is the current mainstream high-end and AMOLED. And this one compared to the traditional LCD, they have a very, very great brightness impact condition. So I think the P12 Pro is a very high-end.
Yeah, I never know that.
Yes, and next one, and we need to continue our disassemble step and to this.
Wait a minute. Where are you wearing the gloves?
Oh, yeah, this is.
And I see there's also the bracelet.
Yeah, this is the wristband, and this is the glove. But this is quite special than the normal one. You know, this glove we use for the ESD protection, and when we do the unit or device disassembly, and we have an opportunity to touch internal electronic components, and in that case, and very risk to generate static and ESD, and that may be the risk to damage and burn the PCBA. So on this condition, and we have to take this glove and also the wristband.
Yeah, that sounds dangerous. And do I need one to protect?
Oh, I forgot. I prepared one set for you. That's a pink color. Is that okay for you?
Yeah, you're so nice. I like this color.
Yeah, I hope you like this one.
Yeah, let me try. And now I can see there are some components. And can you introduce us? How is this? What is this?
Okay, I think firstly, when you have a view on this area and you will have a question and want to know where it is, what it is. But you know, at this moment, all the component where you can see a cover with this black film, right? A black film, and it's very difficult to distinguish them. So, but from just to have a look. You can on this direction have a look on this view. I feel this component design layout. I use the word layout. It quite great and make me very comfortable. For a technical guy, I feel very comfortable.
Yeah.
You know why?
I don't know.
I give you some explanation, and the layout and design layout is a component here, component put here, component placed here. So the layout's good. It means the same as our house decoration. A good house design, and they can show your aesthetics feeling and very clean and very tidy, and even on this condition, you can know where it is and very great position placement design on this.
If you compare it to the house, I think I understand. Yeah, it's clean.
Okay, and after we disconnect this cable, this is battery cable, and this is the display cable, and then we can, in order to start remove other part. Firstly, we should use the screwdriver and to remove the left speaker.
And one thing.
Okay.
What is this for?
Okay, I forgot to tell you.
The black one.
This black film.
Film.
This black film we call the graphite film. So normally, and they are used for the cool down for the internal component, and they have the heating dissipation functioning. So use this one. It's much like, I give you an example, much like so we use the cooling patch for the baby. And when baby has a fever, on this time they have a very high temperature on their head, mama usually to give some cooking patch on there to very quickly cool down the temperature. So our design, this graphic is same like that.
Oh, I understand now. And so it also appears in our daily life.
Yeah.
Like when you talk about the cooling patch, I understand this immediately.
Yeah, you can think our designer and the manufacturing designer seem like a mama, and they give some cooling patch here.
Okay.
And so as I talk to you. And first, we should open and this screw, and this is for the left speaker. This area left speaker, and there has many screw, right?
Yeah. And talking about the speakers, is the speaker like a component that make the device sound like when I make a phone call?
And if accurately answer your question, it is not. And what you ask is the ear speaker, and but this is loudspeaker. That means that when you hear the sound of the voice from the device, and but your the device, tablet device set to the hand-free mode, you can hear the sound. In that case, is the speaker, loudspeaker.
So is it receiver?
Of course not. And this is not ear speaker. This is not receiver. Receiver sound, and for this high-end tablet, they don't use it because the receiver normally they are designed for a scenario when we put this device close to our face, and we can make a call with the family or other friend. And in that case, the sound transmit from the device to your ear, and that is the receiver. But for high-end, just a big screen, you are not easy to hold a big screen on this area to take a call.
Okay, I see.
But your mobile phone has a speaker.
I will check it. And I really got a lot of questions. And another thing is, like when I found my speakers, like no sound, or the sound is not clear, or I think it's noisy, what should I do?
Okay, in that case, it's not easy. So we should to troubleshooting what problems, what the symptoms that you are meeting for the device. But my experience in that case, the one thing is you should care your device or your tablet have get into the water, and if so, and the water into the device tablet, and that may be damage on the any component of this. So if so, you have to ask support from the manufacturer repair team. So it's not easy for you, Lydia.
Okay.
I hope that happened. And so now we can remove, and this is the light speaker. You can have a look.
Yeah. Let me see.
Yeah, this is the left speaker. Oh, that cool, right?
Yeah, and this seems two, right?
Yeah, this is a pair of the left speaker. They have left upper and left down. So on this speaker, so two speaker, we have two spatial directions in audio.
And next
one is this one, and this is our the SIM card and SD card place area, and you can have a look here. And if we remove this small bolt, and you will have a look here.
Oh yeah, we put SIM card and SD card here.
So, and generally, and our user, and when they use this SIM card and also SD card, they will insert them to this area. We have a slot here, and they put the SIM card and SD card here, and both this small bolt and connect to this circuit board. That will be work. So next one, if in order, we should replace this one. We should remove this one. This is right speaker. So as you mentioned, and Lydia, and so this device has a 4 speaker.
Yeah.
They have a 4 dBr speaker, and we have considered, and the manufacturer they use this 4 dBr speaker will give you a very great audio feeling, I think.
Yeah, I can imagine it. So it will sound like in stereo, right? Like maybe when I listen to the music or watch a film, it will make me feel like I'm in a cinema.
Oh, that is it. And I think the first, I think if you buy this tablet, you can save a cinema ticket again. You don't need to buy any cinema ticket. And so this one instead can give you such environment, and mean the condition in the audio performance. You can enjoy from different direction
that's cool.
to feel the audio condition.
And talk about like 4 speakers. In the market, is there many like tablets have 4 speakers?
Not yet. And this normally only for the high end, I think. And so the general one, they just have the 2 speaker and the left and 2 and the right. And but for P12 Pro, and they designed this 4 and high end speaker, and this very expensive and high level design.
Yeah. It's almost the same like the left speakers.
Yeah, very great. And we can put here. And next we are going to separate and remove this USB board. This is, you can see here, this is USB board.
Oh yeah, I see.
So USB board, let me remove them. And you can have a look, lady.
Yeah, but I think it's variable. I think it's easy to be damaged.
Yeah, as you said, and this is a risk. And if the user and they ensure there's the charger board and in a very strong power or the wrongly direction, they maybe have the risk to damage it after several times.
So we have to be careful.
So if you want to protect this and their duration and the reliability, you have to take care of how to use this. So the next one, and lady, we should continue on the.
Oh, I see. There is a circle.
You mean this
round thing? Yeah.
Okay, I forgot.
Yeah, what is that?
This is vibrator, and same as the motor. Yeah, same as the motor. So when you set this tablet into the vibration mode, and someone give you a call, and you will feel such that feeling. That is vibration, and so let me take it out.
Yeah, so that's what always vibrates me.
Yeah, if your mobile phone starts in the vibration mode, and you don't hear any sound during a call, and this function will give you.
Oh, I see.
And there's just some screws. Yes, we should separate them after, and we can take it out. Okay, the last one, and we have it here, and this is the vibrator. Yeah, you can have a look.
Yeah. It looks like small battery.
Yeah, it's like a coin this battery.
Yeah.
Actually, they just give the vibration functioning.
Okay.
Okay, and the next one, and on the sequence, we should remove the antenna board. This is antenna board, and you know what that for? Antenna board, and usually they will generate and receiving and sending the signal and to the base station. I mean, if we use the IoT call, if we use the Wi-Fi.
Oh.
And normally in home, and we use the Wi-Fi and device from this corner. They will send.
So if it's broken, we will lose the signal.
Sure. If you broken here and they don't generate and they don't send any signal to your Wi-Fi router, and this will have a problem on the Wi-Fi connection. So let's start to. But before the antenna board, we have to remove this black spotter firstly. And this black spotter and on the here. What's this for on here?
Yeah, let me guys. There are so many. I think it's for fix the components.
Yeah, correctly. You're so clever. This is to fix function and they can put this black supporter here and to fix on this main board. Otherwise, your main board will loosen. So, excuse me. There's
Screw.
So after we, yes.
So can I call it a protector?
Yeah, same like this. Yeah.
Okay.
And next one, and I told to you, and is this
antenna board?
Yes, antenna board.
Yeah, I remember it.
Mm.
Let's have a look.
Yeah. So antenna board, if we damage it, and our Wi-Fi connection and LTE call will meet problem.
Whoa, that's a disaster.
Yes, and next one, and I think.
Yeah, I see there is a camera, but I don't know where. Can we start disassemble the camera?
Yeah, over there's the camera, and but we don't now we can't take it out, and because the firstly we should remove and take this main board off.
Okay.
This is our main board. You know, main board is like the heart of the device, and all the computing and all the computing, and also there's the function control module integrates on this motherboard. And if we, okay, I forgot there's the one supporter here.
Okay.
And if the main board or the motherboard same core and has any problem, say component inside of the device.
Oh.
You can have a look.
Yeah, I have to look at it, like take it carefully, because it's really expensive, I think.
Of course, you should do this. It's too expensive.
Okay. And you see. Oh, is this the rear camera? And why there two?
Okay, and this. Okay, you notice this is very great, and so generally, and the previous general product they just have a single camera, but for this P12 Pro, and they are in the high-end level, they design this dual camera, and one is for main camera and the 13 megapixel, and the other small one, this is 5 megapixel and second camera. And these two cameras, the cooperation, and they can provide a very special, like when the night take shooting, the image noise can reduction. Even they can provide a very faster focus speed. But one camera, I mean the single camera, the customer just have the feeling on this high resolution. When take a picture, have a high resolution, it's okay. But for dual camera, I mean the double camera, they can provide many others the feature, and so if you use this, you can have many the feature in the taking picture.
I want to have a try, like take a picture with the dual camera.
Yeah,
it seems amazing.
You can have a very cool picture. You can have.
Yeah.
So next one.
Then, the front camera.
Yeah, this is the front camera. So the next one we can have here is the front camera, and so it holds too much. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, this is I'll give you. This is the front camera.
Yeah, it's so small. And I can't imagine I take selfie from this little camera.
Yeah, when you take some picture for yourself, and even when you make a video call, and this front camera will take the functioning and enable everything you want. Especially for this one, they have a very high megapixel and for service view.
And I see there are two like golden one, golden component. What are they for?
You mean you asked these two component?
Yeah.
Okay, and this is microphone.
But there are two.
Yes, that's a good question. So for P12 Pro, and they designed the two microphone, and two microphones they can have the on different direction to collect the and the sound input, and also they can reduce the outside noise interference. And with this and two microphone, and when you have a call with others in this two microphone, you will hear what you hear is very clear, and also the others and also hears very clearly. So let's take it out. Okay, first one I gave you. And this is the next one. We have a double microphone.
Yeah, let's have a look. Two small golden one.
Yes.
Okay.
And now
what are we left?
What we are leave here only is a big battery, and so the current mainstream battery like this one, and they are used the built-in and non-replaceable battery. That means we cannot remove again, and they are not same as the previous generation product. And we have external battery, but for this one, and they're just built in here and glued to the internal cover, and so we don't do anything for this.
Oh, that's too much hassle, I think.
Yeah, if the battery has some problem, example, and lady, if your device battery not work, cannot charge again, you have to ask the manufacturer service center to repair, because they are inside. You cannot do like before.
I think it's not convenient. Like I really miss the old phone like I used in the middle school. You know, the one we can change the battery by ourselves.
Yeah, I also remember that time, and we have an external battery. Yeah, anytime we want to replace a new one, we can. But now, the product is more thin and not as, the previously we have a very thick product, so they cannot impossible and to have an external battery again for current thin product.
And now it seems all have been disassembled, right?
Yeah, and all the component now we have removed from the cover and from this device. And next, I think, Lydia, can you give me a favor? And I want to, and we want to place all the component here.
Yeah, of course.
And
how we do?
Yeah, by this chance. So first, we should know, and by this chance, lady, I want to teach you again, and all the everything that you know again. And this is the display. Yeah. And this is our display screen. And and this is the like the speaker, and this is right speaker, and we have two like supporter. One is here, and the second one is here, right? We have a supporter like this to fix the main board, and we have some IPC here. This is the IPC, and this is the vibrator. And for small board, we have a antenna board over there, and this is the SD card board, and this is USB. Okay. And then this is many screw here. Yeah. I want to tell you, Lydia, that when I saw this screw here, it's very excellent design. I think, you know why?
Now I can see they're in the same color and they look in the same size.
Yes, and this is one point. But others, I want to share with you my experience. And you can see they are only one size. There are no more bigger and no smaller one, just the one size on this specification. If that means and I ever reviewed the other and the branding product, their inside glue. The product they use the three kind of the screw specification. And in that time, and during our disassemble of the product, we have to use the different, this different specification screwdriver and to open it. It's very boring for us.
Oh.
So if one size and unifies the specification for our work and disassemble, very convenient. And also from the industry design level, and they are very great design.
Oh, I understand from your introduce. And I can feel that the designer are not easy to realize it, right?
Yeah, not easy. So to keep this level, they should consider many things. And where is higher, where is lower, and how to change, adjust a little. I think it's tough work for them. But this manufacturer did this. Appreciate this, have a lot of contribution on design when we assembled it. And this is last part, and this is the most expensive and component and motherboard. So now we all this part here. But
and don't you want to teach me? I think to ask me some questions. I think I'm a good learner.
Okay, so now I challenge you.
Yeah.
And because I give you some knowledge, I teach you a little everything here. So let me check you and for your memory and what this part.
Compared to this, I think it's the right speakers, right?
Okay, correctly, that's right. It's good memory. And for this one, what is the component?
I forgot. It's a motor. It's the one vibrates me, right?
Vibrator.
Vibrator.
The vibrator.
Yeah.
That's very good. I think you get a very good lesson here. But remember, don't do it by yourself.
Okay. I won't do it by myself.
Okay. I think today and Lady A, this is what we can do and to explore the internal component and also the functioning and teach and knowledge to our user and also to have a explore to the inside secret. And they have a lot of the industry design beautiful area.
Yeah, and thank you, Today you show us all the wonderful inside world of the tablet, and I can say it's really an excellent journey. I love it. And to talk to our fans, if you have any suggestions or questions about the live stream, you can leave us a message, or if you have something to say, or if you like this assembly or not, or which kind of product, which kind of tablet do you want to see, and you can leave us a message. And I think another thing is, if you like our live stream, you can give us a like and subscribe our channel, Lenovo Fans. Yeah, I think that's all, and we'll see you next time.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Well